This is ZTE Axon 30, and today we would like to demonstrate how you can download and install the Opera browser on it. So the first step that you need to take is to make sure that your device is connected to the network, should it be Wi-Fi or cellular. Then you gotta launch the Google Play Store app. At the search bar, type in Opera. Once the needed app is found, click on this green install button either at the, among the search results, or go to the dedicated application page and click on the button over here. Once the application has been successfully downloaded and installed, you gotta launch it as well as undergo a very simple setup procedure. So in here, tap on this blue continue button, then choose whether you would like to enable the ad blocker, tracker blocker, and choose if you would like to set Opera as your default app for browsing. Finally, there is this page that allows you to either customize the permissions and access that you are going to grant to Opera, or simply allow everything that it needs and start using the app. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.